Exercise 11F question number 1. E. If you go to 3, find the speed of a particle moving with these velocities. So 3 and then 4. So what is the velocity for this direction? Speed for this direction is 3 square plus 4 square root, which is 5 ms minus 1. B. So that is mod value of 3I plus 4j speed. B. Speed is mod value of 24I minus 7j. So 24 square plus minus 7 square root. So 25 kmh minus 1. C. So speed is mod 5I plus 2j, 5 square plus 2 square root, that is square root 29 ms minus 1. D is minus 7I plus 4j, that is speed mod value of this value. Minus 7 square plus 4 square root 49, 16, that is square root 25 cms minus 1. Question number 2. Find the distance moved by the particle which travel by. Distance distance you can get speed times speed multiplied by time. Speed mean distance divided by time, then distance mean speed divided multiplied by time. So question number A. So you are going if you move 8 and 6 kilometer per hour, and if you travel 2 hours, the same journey you can go within 1 hour. That is mod value of that is 8I plus 6j mod value, that is 8 square plus 6 square square root, that's 8 square root 100, it means 10. If you go 10 kilometer per hour within 1 hour, you are there. Then how many hours like that they are going? 5 hours. So 1 hour 10, another hour 10, another hour 10, 5 hours. It means 5 hours times 10. So 50 kilometer. Part B, pi I minus j, pi I minus j, ms minus 1. So if you go 5 to this direction and 1 to this direction, so you are spending 2 minutes, 2 seconds, 5 and 1. The same journey you can come with the magnitude of this one, pi I minus j, which is 5 square plus minus 1 square root. It means square root 26 ms minus 1. So if you go like this, 5 seconds, how many seconds? 10 seconds. Then for a second, you are going 26 square root. Another second, another square. Another second, likewise, there are 10, 26. So this is going to be speed is this one, and how many times? 10. 10 times square root 26. You will get answer around 51 meter approximately. Part 36 I plus 2j. What is this direction? If you go 6, that is kmh, 6 kmh minus 1 and 2 kmh minus 1. What is really that direction is this direction, and the speed is, we can find 6 square plus 2 square root, so 36 plus 4, so square root 40. Now we found out this, for this direction is square root 40. Now I don't need anything. Now we found out that one. Now you are moving square root 40 kmh minus 1. It means kmh minus 1. If you go 1 hour, you are going square root 40. Square root 40 mean, okay, square root 40. If you go 45 minutes, 45 minutes mean 3/4 of 1 hour. Not 1 hour. If you go for 1 hour, you go 40. 3/4 of 1 hour. So then 3/4 of this distance. For 1 hour, you are going 40. Then 45 minutes out of 3/4. That is going to be 4.74 approximately kilometer. Question number 4, minus 4y minus 7g. So we need to find the direction and the speed. So minus 4y, start from here, go 4 and up 7. So it means it's going to this direction. So what is the speed now? The speed you will get 4 square plus 7 square square root. That is 16 plus 49. So square root 55. That is CMS minus 1. Now I don't need this one. No, I don't need anything now. Now I know 50 for this direction, square root 55 centimeter per second. If you go over a second, 1 second, if you go for square root 55. So how many seconds you want? 2 minutes. 2 minutes mean how many seconds? 60 and 60, 120 seconds, 2 minutes. Then I want to multiply by 120. For 120, you are going 120 times square root 55. So this is going to be, actually this is 65, not 55. 967 centimeter approximately. Question number 3a. For 1 second, you are going with uh, minus 3 square plus 4 square a square root for this direction. No, not direction. Here, here, this direction. For a second, 1 second, this is 25 square root 5. For 1 second, you are going for this direction, 5 meters. So for 15 seconds, then you want to multiply by for 15 seconds 5 times 15, which is 75 meters. Part B, 2 5. So you are going this direction with the speed 2 square plus 5 square square root. So what is that? 29. So square root 29 meter per second. For a second, for 1 second, you are going 29 meters to this direction. 3 seconds. For 2 seconds, you are going 2 times 29 to the direction. For 3 seconds, you are going 3 times the square root 29 to this direction. This is the answer. This answer is going to be 16.2 meter. Tracy, so I minus 2j 5 and 2 down. So this is the direction. What is the speed for this direction? 5 square plus minus 2 square square root 25 plus 4, that is 29 again. So 29 kmh minus 1. It means per hour 29. So how many? For 3 hours. 2 hours, 2 times 29. 3 hours, 3 times square root 29. The answer is going to be 16.2. The 12i minus 5j. 12 to this direction, 5 to this direction. So this is for this direction, the speed is 12 square minus 5 square square root 144 plus 25 169 square root, that is going to be 13 kmh minus 1. So the person is moving 13 kmh per hour 13 is moving. So for 30 minutes being half hour. So half of 13. That is going to be 6.5 kilometers. Question number 5. Question number 4. I can see t equals 0 when the starting point uh, 2I plus 3j, that is u, and after 5 seconds t equal 5. So 5 seconds he travel, and then he get the velocity with different velocity. That's why we 69 minus 5j. Usually we refer as v as a last velocity, the starting velocity and end velocity. Can I minus v minus u? Yes, I can minus, because this is we learned that vector we can add and subtract. So 16I minus 5j minus 2I plus 3j. So this is value is 16 minus 2, 14I minus 2j. So this is minus 8j. We can, well, so what will happen, this we sorry, this difference when you divide by time, the speed difference you divide by time. So which is 14I minus 8j, you are dividing 5. So this is, in physics we define this is acceleration. So 14 over 5I minus 8 over I. In year 10, this kind of sum you may work out. When t equal 5, speed is 5 ms minus 1. Then t equal 10, speed is 10 ms minus 1. And you travel 10 seconds. Then find the acceleration. So v minus u divided by t. 10 minus 5 divided by 10. So just a simple physics. So in only here you see that the velocity in vector mode, that's all. Question number 5. A mass is moving to which direction? 5 and 7. It means it's moving to this direction. So it means, what is the acceleration of this direction? 5 square plus 7 square square root. That is 25 plus 49. 74. So acceleration is 74 to this direction. You can go from here to here within a square second. If we go to 5 ms minus 2 and 7 ms minus 2. So we don't need those two now. Actually, we need the first question is find the angle. So this is theta, this is 7, and this is 5. So tan theta is 7 over 5. Theta equal tan inverse 7 over 5, which is 54.5. Now the other one, find the force. Force means we know that from the Newton law, F equal ma. To which direction? To this direction, theta direction. So then ma is 0.2 and A is, we can't write 5i plus 7j to this direction. 54.5. Acceleration is square root 74. Okay, so this is the final answer. 0.3 times the square root 74. This is 2.58 Newton. You can keep the answer in the vector form as well. They don't ask this one. Okay, F equal 0 point times, that is 5i plus 7g. It means this is 0, this is m times a with the vector form. So this is 0 0.3 times 5i plus 0 0.3 times 7 j. So this is 1.5i, this is 2.1 j. So what is this 1.5i now? This is Newton. This is Newton. So instead of what is 1.5 square plus yeah, that's 1 point I think I'm right, 3.5. Yeah, so you can forget this part, but you can keep in the back form as well. Question number 6. This is a particle. I put F1 force here, F2 force here. So where's the resultant force? Is going to this direction. Assume that you are standing up here, somebody is pulling you from here, and another friend pulling from to this direction. Then what is your direction? You are going to this direction. So this is the resultant, F1 plus F2. So what is F1 plus F2? 3i minus 4j plus pi plus q, F1 plus F2. 3i minus 4j plus pi plus qj. So then, so this is called R. So this is 3 plus p I plus q minus 4j. I bring I together and j together. So this is R basically. So this R is parallel to 2i minus j. 2j. It means this direction. So I have to change this one bit. So this is F1 and this is F2. It's going to this direction. It is parallel to this R, which is 3 plus pi plus q minus 4j is parallel to 2i minus j. So it means what is the direction of this one? Direction of this one, this is the direction of R, because R is parallel to this one. So 2 and 1, if you take this is theta, tan theta equal 1 over half. Theta equal tan inverse half. That is 26.6 from the I axis or x axis. Now this is R, and this R is parallel to 2I minus J. If two vectors are parallel, what you can write? If this is A, then you can write lambda times A. So the same concept we are going to do now. This R, so R equal lambda times 2y minus J. What is R mean? 3 plus P I plus Q minus 4J is lambda time, because since that is the data we have to absorb or abstract from the probability. Now we'll simplify this one. 3 plus P I, it is as it is, plus Q minus 4 equal 2 lambda I plus minus lambda J. Okay, I will write minus lambda J. Now when you check coefficients of I, 3 plus P equal to 2, and coefficient of J, Q minus 2 lambda, and this is going to be minus lambda. Now I can see a equation without lambda. So 3 plus P equal to lambda. From here I can write lambda equal minus Q plus 4. I bring lambda to here, these two to other side, plus Q minus Q plus 4. Then 3 plus P, 2, I'll substitute this one here. 2 times minus Q plus 4. 3 plus P minus 2Q plus 8. Then P plus 2Q here. 8 minus 3 is 5. So P plus 2Q equal 5. Now we want to find when P equal 1. P equal 1. R is 3 plus 1. I plus, now what is Q? Now I want to find Q. When you put P equal 1 here, when P equal 1, 2Q equal 4, Q equal 2. Now we know 2 minus 4J. So 4I minus 2J. Question number 7. AB is 30I plus 40J. AC is 40I minus 60J. We want to find BC. BC means BA plus AC. So BA means minus 30I plus 40J plus 80 means 40I minus 60J minus 30I minus 40J plus 40I minus 60J. So 10I minus 100J. Now find the size of BAC. BAC and the area. So we need to find this angle. We have to use cos. Then we have to know this distance. So mod AB 30 square plus 40 square root, which is 50. and mod, sorry, mod, not mod, it is magnitude 40 square plus minus 60 square, the square root 5200 square root, that is AC 5200 square root. BC magnitude 10 square plus minus 1 square, square root, that is 10 100 square root. No more vectors. Now it's chapter 9 cos A. 15 square plus 5200 square root square minus 10 100 square root square minus 2 times 50 times 5200. So you will get this answer cos A is minus 2400 over 1000 square root 50, so 24 over 10, 52. So when you find A, cos inverse minus 24 over 10 square root 52. This is 109.44. So BAC angle is that one, and the area we need half AB sin C. Area of triangle ABC half AB sin C, half 50 times 5200 sin 109.44. You will get 1700 approximately a square meter. Question number 8. Question number 8. The board A has a position vector, so OA equal 2I plus J, and buoy has a B position vector 6I minus 4J. Related to fixed origin now. Find the distance of the board from the boundary. So basically, this is going to be 1, 1, 2, 2 and 1. So board is here. This is the position vector 2y plus j, and B boy 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is somewhere here. So this is going to be 6I minus 4G. Now we need to find the distance. This is A, B. Distance between A and B. So this is 4. So this distance is 4. And complete the right angle triangle. This height is 1. Then this height is 1. So total height is 5. And this length is this length. So whole length is 6 up to here 6, and this distance is 4. Then this is going to be 4. Right? From Pythagoras, AB is 4 square plus 5 square square root 16 plus 25 square root 41. So you can work with the vectors form. You want AB. AB mean AO plus OB. AO mean minus 2y plus j, and OB is 6i minus 4j. So minus 2y minus j plus 6i minus 4j. So this is going to be 4i minus 5j. 4i minus 5j. So then mod not magnitude AB equal 4 square plus minus 5 square square root 41. So you can come that way as well. So the second one is find the bearing from the buoy to the boat. It means from here to here. So this is 360. If I know this angle, I'll take this is alpha. Uh, tan alpha equal 4 divided by 5. So alpha equal tan inverse 4 over 5. This is angle 38.6. Okay, let's say this is 38. Then 300 and minus 38. So 322. So bearing is 322. So if you look at the origin from the buoy, so this is this one. This will you will get 303 point bearing 303. So basically 360 minus tan inverse, that is 360 minus if you take this is theta tan inverse 6 over 4, 303. Now next one we want to the boat speed is velocity 8i minus 10j. So we want to find the speed. We work out earlier. So this is 8 square plus minus 10 square square root 64 plus 100. So square root 164. Now verify that the boat is traveling directly towards the buoy. So boat is traveling directly towards the buoy. So now what is the angle? So the direction of the boat is 10 divided 8. This is 5 over 4 to this direction theta. This is 8 and this is 10. Theta equal tan inverse 10 over 8 or tan inverse 5 over 4, or you can come direction tan theta equal 10 over 8 5 over 4. Now what is the AB angle? So both is coming to 5 over 4, and what is A to B this angle from I? AB angle from I direction or X. x-axis. So this is the, let's say this is a beta. So tan beta is 5 over 4. Hence, uh, tan beta also, tan theta also 5 over 4. Tan beta also 5 over 4. Hence, tan theta equal tan beta equal 5 over 4. So both have the same direction, and this one also have the same angle. So hence, uh, boat is traveling directly towards the buoy. Now we want to know the time. It means speed means distance divided by time is equal, let's say dt. Then t is, then cos multiply t is d over s. Distance divided by speed. So what is the distance? Time is, distance is 164 divided by um, speed. We work out the speed. Okay, now distance is something else. Distance is 41. 4 square plus 5 square root 41, and this is 164. This is 41 and 2 square root 41. This is going to be cancel out. 40 equal half an hour.